is. It's alright to not be fine on your own. Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. Shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? Yeah. There's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? Ain't got much to do. Too old for my hometown. Went to bed at noon.